Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how I made my PMT assignment. We were given the theoretical situation of we're going back to school to get our PhD and we can't get a job at the school to help pay for our tuition and stuff, so we have to, opening it again. So we have to make a loan of $150,000, which you can see amount of loan. We have an annual interest rate of 5.8% and number of payments would be 120 because we're paying it over a 10-year span. To get our monthly payment, we would do a PMT of our annual interest rate divided by 12 and including our 120 payments and minus our amount of loan. That's how we figure out our monthly payment. And we'll just enter in that same thing for the B column, and that'll be the exact same number for the entire rest of the B column. To find our interest, we just took E8, which is our balance right here, times C2, our interest rate again, divided by 12, and then to find our principals, we would subtract B9, which is our payment, minus our interest to get our principal. And then to find our balance, all we would do is subtract our balance minus our principal to find our current balance for that payment. There were 3 questions that we had to answer, and it was, let's see, how much do you still owe by payment 75? So all you have to do is scroll down and you have all these numbers right here on the left hand side that go in order. So payment 75, $66,597.60. So that's how much by payment 75 we would still owe. Our total interest that is paid, all you have to do is go to your interest column, and what I did is I scrolled all the way down to the bottom. You press equal and then you type in sum, open parentheses, and then what I did is I highlighted from the very first one all the way down. You continue to go down to the very end, and then you'll get your interest sum. And then the final question is if you found a bank who would loan you the money for 4.5%, how much money would you save? So instead of having this 5.8, it would be 4.5. So let's say that, and once you type that in, it'll change all of your numbers accordingly. And if we go down to our total interest down here at the bottom, we see that it changed to 36,000 instead of the 48,000. So all you have to do is subtract 48,000 from the 36,000, and that's how we would save 11,000 if our bank gave us a 4.5 interest rate instead of a 5.8. So that's it. Hope this